Hello guys and welcome back. So in the last video we learned about different operators and input, how we could take input from the user. So in this tutorial we will be learning different kind of conditions: greater than, less than, equal to, equal to and not equal to. So let's get started. So 10 not equal to 11. What will happen if we do this in Python? We will get the output as true. So you will be thinking like why 2, right? It is not equal to, right? Because 10 is not equal to 11, the condition is true. So it will print out the answer as 2. What if we do 10 is equal to, apologies, equal to 11? Our expected output will be false because the condition is not satisfied. We are telling that 10 is equal to 11, which is not right. But here we are telling that 10 is not equal to 11. So that is right. So that is why we got the output as 2. So this was all for the integer. What if we are dealing with the string operator? Can we use it over there? Yeah, why not? If it is Gaurav equal to Gaurav. Gaurav. So here the output will be as expected true. But what if we change it to capital 1? Will it affect us? We will try it. Let's do it like print, or just take it as var1 and variable 2 will be using as Gaurav and capital 1. What happens if we do this? Let's print it equal to 0. What do you think? What will be the output? So it will be false because the capital letter and the small letter, they do matter a lot in this. So let's get back to the older stuff. So let's do the other. Not equal to, so this condition will be the output will be true, because in this condition we are saying that both the strings are not equal, and that is true, that the small g1 Gaurav and the capital G Gaurav are not equal to, so the condition will be true. Now let's do something like 10 greater than 11. What will be the expected output? It will be false as expected. And 10 less than equal to 11, it will be true. So this has got highlighted. This is how it works. We can even do this like, what if we do 10 equal to not equal to 10? What will be the output? It will be false. But if we add less than equal to, the output will be true because the condition gets satisfied over there. Now let's try it using some variables. Number 1 is equal to 10, number 2 is equal to 11, and let's print it out directly. Num1 equal to num2. So what will be the output? It will be false because both the numbers are not equal to each other. But if we do it as not equal to, numbers are not equal, so the output will be true. So you got the difference, right? That both are different exactly. Now let's do something like greater than equal to. What will happen if we do it like that? The output will be false because 10 is not greater than or equal to 11. But if we change it to 10, our condition gets satisfied and we get the expected output as true. So this is how it works. Let's try some more examples. Drag. Let's try it out. False. Let's change the condition to less than equal to, not equal to. Okay. So the output is true because 100 is not equal to 200. You're getting me what I'm trying to say? What if we do it with string? A string number. Let's just try it out. Printing it out. True. Because they both are not equal to each other. Now let's do it as equal to. Now output will be false as expected. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And keep watching for some more videos.